guys, I hope y'all are doing well and I hope y'all are safe at home. We are just about to make Schezwan sauce at home, so I thought I'll shoot the video and share it with you guys. We've been doing this since the last few months. We've been making our Schezwan sauce at home with the healthiest possible ingredients. So yeah, it is the best version, trust me. It is way better than the ones that you get outside, which is loaded with preservatives. So yeah, I think give this a shot. It is extremely easy and it tastes amazing. I mean, there is no Chinese meal which is complete without a spoon of Schezwan sauce. That punch, that spice, oh my god, it is amazing. We've been actually adding it to our fried rice, to our noodles, even to the omelette actually. You know, in the last few times we've done that. But yeah, it tastes so good. Give it a shot. Let me know if you like it. If you have any suggestions or questions, leave them below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys.
Let's start off with our ingredients. We need 50 grams of dried Kashmiri red chilli, 130 grams of ginger, 75 grams of celery stick, 200 grams of garlic. These are all approximate measurements. Start by placing a big vessel on the gas and add some water in it. As soon as the water turns hot, add your chilies, and once the water starts to boil, just turn the gas off. This is mainly done so that the chilies soften in the hot water and it is easy to separate the seeds. Chop your ginger, garlic and celery into really fine pieces. Make sure it's tiny and very fine. In the meanwhile, you can keep the chilies soaked in that warm water till they start to swell up. 10 minutes later, you can wash the chilies and remove the seeds. Just make sure that you remove each and every seed, otherwise your sauce is going to be extremely spicy. Take a big pan and add a generous amount of olive oil and sunflower oil. Once that heats up, add your chopped ginger and garlic and saute till it's golden. Once your ginger and garlic is a bit golden, you can add your celery and cook it. Meanwhile, grind the chilies into a thick paste and add it into the ginger, garlic and celery mixture. Just stir it well and cook it for 5 minutes. After that, add some salt, tomato ketchup and a bit of soy sauce. Cook this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes and keep stirring. Once the oil comes up, you can turn the gas off and let it cool down. Schezwan sauce is now ready. Make sure you taste it, fill it up in a glass bottle and then refrigerate. I hope you guys like the recipe. I hope you try it at home, and if there are any other suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. Happy eating, guys!